Plow drivers and DPWs are all across western Massachusetts are preparing for tomorrow's snowstorm. 22 News Storm Team meteorologist Jennifer Paye went to the Springfield DPW to see how they're getting ready to handle the storm.
Yeah, Springfield's DPW told 22 News that the first storm in February was like a warm-up for this upcoming storm. They say they are well prepared.
I kind of look at this storm as a big brother to the one we had a few weeks ago, but it's very similar.
With snowfall rates forecasted to be between 1 and 4 inches per hour, it will be hard for plow drivers to keep up with the storm's intensity. The director of Springfield DPW told 22 News it's the intensity of the storm that makes or breaks how quickly and efficiently they can get the snow cleared.
The intensity on this one is the thing that really bothers me, because what they're really talking about is not just the intensity, but when it happens, it's really in the immediate front end of the storm. So it's like everything's going to dump real quick.
The main focus for the DPW is the main streets in Springfield. They have to plow 2,000 streets and 1,100 lane miles. Residential streets come second in their plan of clearing roads. This time around, plow drivers do have an upper hand before the storm even begins. One advantage that plow drivers are going to be dealing with is that there's no snow on the ground, which means they won't have to push the snow onto prior snowbanks. The Springfield DPW is asking drivers to stay off the roads, especially if you don't have to be on them. This helps the plow drivers get their jobs done quickly and safely. And Springfield DPW also told 22 News that they will begin ticketing and towing tonight. If you are parked illegally, you will get towed. Meteorologist Jennifer Paye, 22 News.